I'm Chris Devon. Right now I'm joined by real estate attorney Yitz McKenzie from Gilmartin McKenzie in downtown Boston. Now, Yitz, I'm going to go off of a real life story that happened to me this week. I had a client who reached out to me when I asked them if they were using a real estate attorney and who was reviewing their purchase and sale. The answer was their cousin, who was an attorney. Turns out that that cousin was a litigation lawyer, right? Why could that be a problem for somebody if they're not engaging with a true real estate professional?
I too get these calls. Only on the flip side, it's often I get a call from somebody, can you look at my purchase and sale agreement that I signed a month ago? I'm having an issue. I had an attorney, but it was my neighbor, and my neighbor is a divorce attorney. And inevitably, there are going to be certain clauses that a real estate attorney that does this every day, all day, will make sure to have in all of these agreements. When a litigator or a divorce attorney or some other attorney, they may have some basic knowledge that they may or may not remember from law school, but they're not going to be familiar with exactly what should be in the contract at any given time on any given piece of property, whether it's a condo or a single family or a multifamily. There might be certain issues that crop up only in the city of Boston as opposed to the town of Ashland. So it's important to have somebody who is familiar with real estate to make sure that all of your interests are protected to that particular deal, not just protecting what the attorney feels is generally speaking your interests.
It's really no different than breaking your leg and going to an eye doctor, right?
That's a wonderful analogy. Absolutely.
Deals specifically in that field.
Correct. And in fact, not only that, but it's important for somebody who's buying or selling a piece of property to surround themselves with the entire proper team. And that includes not only an attorney who is a devoted real estate attorney, but also a real estate agent that they can trust, a lender that they can trust, and if they're purchasing, and an inspector that they can trust. Often people don't buy property every other year. So you start with your real estate agent, make sure you have one that you feel comfortable with, and they can also help you assemble a proper team. The idea is all you should have to worry about are the movers and the babysitters for the day of closing.
Thanks, Yitz. And if you're looking to connect with one of the best real estate law firms in Boston and you'd like to reach out to Yitz McKenzie and his team directly, you can do so by going to gmlawllp.com. And remember, for more buyer and seller tips, you can visit our site right here on boston.com/RETB.
Tune into Radio BDC Sunday mornings at 7 to hear Chris Devon and his guest list of top-notch local real estate professionals deliver the timely truths of the greater Boston real estate market.